we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm fabulous. Today I am heading out of, let me say I'm traveling, let me not say I'm heading out. I'm going to the coastal side of Thailand, and yeah, I'm excited about this trip for today because that's the whole reason why I came back to Thailand. So I'm heading out in a bit. I'm going to the airport. And yeah, I'm ready. My bags are all packed. These are my bags right here. I'm all packed and ready to go. I'm just waiting for my taxi. I think it's just 5 minutes away. So guys, join me on my journey to this beautiful island. I'll see you in a bit. I will take you along through my journey. See you in a bit, my loves. Mwah.
What we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no.
Guys, I'm all checked in and I'm ready to bounce, but first let's get some food by Burger King. I'm gonna get a burger and fries. I'm waiting for my order now. And yeah, everyone is traveling. It's a weekend, so I'm gonna have my fries, my favorite, with a bit of ketchup. I really love fries, guys. If you don't know, welcome to Happy Muncher's channel, a lover of fries and traveling and food in general. Anyway, I'm waiting to go through the scan gates while I'm having my food, and I'm eating this chunky burger which is so delicious. I love it so much. It's a triple whopper burger, a beef burger. I love it so much with bacon, veggies and cheese. It's really delicious. So I'm just gonna have this while I wait to finally go on board, and I'm washing all this food down with Coca-Cola. Anyway, I think it's time for me to head to the gates, and yeah, I'm gonna be here until it's time for boarding. Now it's time for boarding, and I am headed to the aircraft, and I'm flying Thai. I think it's called Smile. It's my first time flying this one, but it's so colorful. It's orange and everything. And yeah, finally we arrive in Phuket. Oh my god, I am so happy to be here. I am in Phuket, guys. I'm so happy. Anyway, I am headed down to my hotel, and it's already evening, guys. Not much to see now. There isn't enough lighting, so we'll just wait until tomorrow to explore everything else. But anyway, let's head down to my hotel. I will take you through my room tour, and yeah, but so far this is Phuket. I just love the atmosphere already. I feel like it's going to be a very beautiful and worth it trip. Anyway, guys, see you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome to Phuket here in Thailand. I had a long day, guys. My flight was delayed for 2 hours, and yeah, getting from the airport to my hotel took about 40 minutes. And it's a resort, so when you check in, there's a shuttle that takes you from the reception all the way into the resort. So anyway, I just checked into my hotel. I just want to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna start with the bathroom because that's the first thing when you enter the room. This is my bathroom, guys. There's a shower over here, a toilet, and a sink over here. I like the stone that they used. It's really beautiful and it's giving the vibes of an island basically. Anyway, here's a huge bathtub. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but yeah, this is very huge. Anyway, fresh towels and a huge mirror. I just love it. And there's like a window, like a partitioning of a window. It goes to the other side of the room, which is the bedroom. I don't know what it's for, but it's okay. And here is the closet, a mini fridge over here, and a coffee station with water supply and everything, a huge mirror and a stool. Let's see what they have in here. They have water for me and some few drinks over there, beer and Coca-Cola with Sprite. Cool. My bags are here, literally just checked in. This is my beautiful big bed, white linen, you know your girl, and lamps on the side, a television and a working desk. So this is it guys. This is gonna be my space for the next few days in Phuket. I'm so excited. I can't wait to explore the islands here in Phuket. And yeah, stick around guys, let's explore it together. So I will see you on my next video. Make sure you stick around, smash on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Okay, from me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.